Hello, everybody. This is Wormus Hunt here. This is my 2025 New Year's Eve special fan video for this year. I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing and demonstration of my new box fan that I bought off of eBay for this year. If you remember, in the 2024 fan um fan video that I made for New Year's Eve for last year. Um if you remember, in the background I put in into the background uh, of the fans that I was running. It was a old, I do believe it was a 1988 Kmart by Lakewood K223 um box fan that was in the background of those fans. I actually sold that fan on eBay, and and I actually sold it a few um weeks ago or so. And after I sold that fan off to somebody else, um I had a good idea of me buying um this um this really nice, good condition 1973 Kmart by Lakewood box fan. I seen videos of this fan on YouTube before, and I thought it was a very cool fan because I always wanted one of those 1973 Kmart by Lakewood p23s in my fan collection. So now I have one. So without ado, let's start unboxing it. Let me get my scissors off of the table. Now let me see if I can cut off the rest of the tape here. This person who shipped out the fan um put it in like two boxes for safety. So so there comes some pieces of the box. Ooh, all right. I do believe I need some help here. Hold on a second here. I do believe I need my mom to help me. Yeah, this thing is in amazing condition. So I was right. There's a few scratches here and there, but let me see. Get this thing out. Okay. Yeah, let me get this thing out.
No problem. Hand the scissors to you, please. There we go.
All right.
And this side.
All right.
Okay.
That side.
All right. right, dude. Lots of packing peanuts. Right?
Yeah.
So,
Alright.
which we can save for your eBay. Go ahead and
Yeah, that'd be excellent.
yeah.
Great.
Don't worry about it. We'll get them picked up.
Okay.
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 Yep.
Packing peanut stuck in the grill. Okay, there's the older girl.
That just needs to be cleaned up a little bit, right?
Alright. Here she is. Alright.
Very nice. And lots of packing peanuts that need to be
Picked up.
but we can save those for your boxes for eBay, right, Jack?
Yep.
But they're gonna get stuck in the grill. We're gonna need to maybe get those. Maybe I can reach in there with the scissors and pull those out. What do you think?
Yeah.
Sound good?
My Camp Workshop is arriving to see all of these packing peanuts.
Yep. Pork chop's pretty excited about those.
Yeah.
Right, Porky? You happy with packing peanuts? Oh, I don't know, dude. This is gonna be tricky getting this out.
Right. Yeah. Man. I'm impressed of how
Well,
good of condition this thing
I'm
is.
trying to get the packing peanuts out. I don't know. This is gonna be a trick getting out, man.
Yeah.
That's all right.
I may
Are you
need
good
to.
just leaving those in there for now?
I may need to split the video to a part 2.
That's okay.
So I can get the fan grills off and
Well, it's fun unboxing because it was a big deal, wasn't it?
yeah.
Okay.
That was one of the
All right.
fans I really wanted for my collection.
Wow, it's an oldie. Here, there it is.
Well, the fan is only from 1973, Mom.
Yep.
Man, can't believe
Early
I have
70s.
this in my
Older than me, even.
hands.
Okay. Well, yeah. It just needs to be cleaned up a little bit, but it's in great condition, though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's a few little rust spots on the bottom,
Not bad, though.
but the fan is in spiffy condition for what it is.
All right.
The blades are very polished up also.
Mm-hmm.
I'm impressed. Okay, here's the front of the fan. And I may have to split the video for a part 2 so I can get the packing peanuts out of the fan so I can do a startup for all of you.
Is that what you're going to be working on, Jack?
Yeah.
So you're going to what, take it apart?
Yeah, I'm gonna take
Just do one side.
off like the front grill
Okay.
and they'll be then I'll be all set.
Okay.
Alright. So when we go over to my toolbox I have over by the Christmas tree, and I will take off the front grill. Alright. I got my multi-tool screwdriver with me. No, I don't need help, Mom. I got it.
Okay. Sounds good.
Looks like the old owner forgot to tighten up the screws. Man, I don't like that old owner who owned this nice fan would not tighten up the fan grill screws. Looks like that one's seized. There we go. Looks like this fan must have been used somewhere in a window or somewhere like that, or possibly in a garage or basement, because the screws seem pretty rusty. So I got 3 screws out. Here's number 4. I'm surprised that this fan is in